Hi, my loves. Happy New Year. It is 2025, and so we are making money this year. I know some of you will be venturing into the wrong business this year, and I'm here to guide you in the right direction. Please don't make that mistake. Today, I am here to show you five trending businesses you should be starting this year, 2025. Don't sleep on it. And guess what? Number four and number five is my favorite. So you have to stick to the end of this video so you wouldn't miss out on the juicy ones. Without wasting much of your time, let us get straight into the video. Number one on my list today in the top five businesses we're going to be talking about today is gas business. Hold up. I know you'll be asking me, how do I start gas business? Hold on, let me tell you something. People eat every day. And what do they use to cook? Is it not gas? Of course, it is gas. And so, gas is something that people cannot do without. And fun fact, people no longer use stove to cook. They no longer use firewood to cook, especially in happening cities. 8 out of every 10 Nigerian uses gas to cook. Put me anywhere, I am serious. And so if that is the case, then gas business is a business you should consider starting today. People cannot do without cooking, and so when their gas finishes, who do they run to? They run to the nearest gas seller. It is on a very high demand. People cook every day, people eat every day, and so people feel gas every day too. The next business we should be considering today is unboxed perfume business. If you are someone like me who likes to smell good, believe you me, I can spend a fortune on perfumes. And not just any perfume, I'm talking about luxury perfume. And guess what? The sad part is that I don't even have the money to afford some of those luxurious perfumes that I want for myself. What do? I go to the unboxed ones. The unboxed ones are perfumes. They're still luxury perfumes, but on a budget, right? They're more like a thrift perfume. A lot of persons who are starting out the year, they are taking self-care personal, they want to feel good about themselves, they want to do this for themselves, self-care 2025, new year resolution and all of that. And so they will be caring for themselves by getting good stuff, luxurious stuff for themselves. But the reality is that some of them will not have the money to afford those luxurious perfumes they want to get for themselves too. They cannot afford the self-care in code. And so that is where you come in. You make profit from these people who cannot afford the luxurious perfumes, who cannot afford to pay for them. They go for the unboxed ones. People like me, mind you, these unboxed perfumes, they're actually original, but probably they have stayed in their stores for long, and so they just discard them. So it is not like they are fake, no, but they are just perfumes that are no longer needed in the store. Probably they produced a new batch, and so they need to discard the other ones. The third business on my list today is food business. Just like gas business, right? Everybody eats food. The most amazing part of this food business is that people eat every day. Not just that, food is now in high demand. With the high rate at food prices are going, then I think it's a business you need to consider, because people cannot do without food except you are fasting. Even those who are fasting, they will still come back to eat. And so we should consider venturing into food business. Some of the food businesses you can start, palm oil business. Another type of food business you can venture into is dry fish business, crayfish, stockfish, all of those dry stuffs, or even the fresh ones. If there's anything you're sleeping on, food business. People don't play with health food. People don't play with their relationship, their love life, and so you should make profit from some of these things. Now let us get to my favorite last two, which are content creation. When I'm talking about content creation, I'm not talking about you dancing on TikTok. I'm not talking about you entertaining people. I'm talking about creating content for businesses, for small businesses. If you're someone who knows how to take good pictures, who knows how to take good videos, you know your angles very well, then you should consider this business, because small businesses are looking for people to create content for them, because they don't even have the time to start creating content for their business. They are there focusing on other stuff, marketing their business and production and all of those stuff, so they don't have time to create content. And so you are in a very high demand if you are considering doing that business for yourself. And it is a business that you don't even need 1 naira to start. All you just need is your smartphone and probably a skill on how to take good pictures and good videos. Statistics has it that by 2027, the content creation market is going to skyrocket to about $240 billion. Girl, you should be tapping into that statistics. You should be tapping into that dollars too. I said so. It's a business you can start as a stay-at-home mom, as a student, as a girlie, as a brother, as a sister, as a youth copper in Nigeria. It is a business anybody can start. You should consider content creation today and thank me later. All right, let's go to my last favorite one. The last one is jewelry business. Girls, girlie, you are sleeping on this. Let me tell you something you don't know. Out of every 10 Nigerian girl, 8 of them are wearing jewelry. 8 of them cannot even do without jewelry. I am wearing one right now. It might not be too obvious, but I'm definitely wearing a jewelry. What does that tell you? It tells you that jewelry business is on a very high demand. I've noticed a trend now, and that trend is non-tarnished jewelry. I'm not talking about anyhow jewelry, I'm talking about specifically non-tarnished jewelry, non-tarnished rings. That is in vogue right now. Every soft girly is on ring. Every soft girly who knows her game, who knows what she's doing, is on ring, especially non-tarnished. Nobody wants to buy something they will wear today and tomorrow it will tarnish. So girlies are going for the non-tarnished. So if you are considering any business to do this 2025, then you should consider non-tarnished jewelry business. I hope that these business ideas will guide you on the right one to take, and I hope that you would consider venturing into some of these businesses because they are in vogue, sis. They are in vogue, bro. You shouldn't sleep on them. It is 2025 and we're making cash. If it is not cash, then we are not making. So we have to make our money. Pump up your game. Let us make the cash. It is a year of cash. And so if you have not subscribed, I know you have not subscribed to this channel, please don't pass without subscribing. Please hit on the subscription button and make sure to hit the like button and share with your friends, because a lot of persons are looking for business ideas they can venture in this year. People have money they have saved in the previous year and they're looking for what to do with it. So please share with your family, share with your friends, share with your loved ones, so that we can all make the cash. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of the video. I love you so much. You cannot even imagine how much I love you, and I'm rooting for you, girl. I am rooting for you, bro. I am rooting for you. So let's go make that money. See you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.